Going to do a cold startup for this 2006 Dodge Sprinter 3/4 ton. As you see, it starts right up. No check engine lights. It will be equipped with a brand new battery. Does it have a tape player? Seats are in pretty good shape. Nice and clean on the inside. Pretty straight body. Now you can't see it, but it's good tires. Oh, there we go. Nice clean wheels. The back end is pretty clean. It's gonna have a few scratches here and there, but you get the point. Rest of the body is pretty clean. There's the engine compartment. If you have any further questions, feel free to call or send an email. Thank you.